your presence alone is a big honor for us na talaga. And this wedding, kahit ganito to, siyempre wala naman talaga, hindi siya naging perfect, pero it really meant a lot for me. So again, thank you dun sa, first of all, Father Rodney, for blessing us in this holy sacrament of matrimony. And principal sponsors, thank you very much, Ninong and Ninang. Then the secondary sponsors, maraming salamat for all the assistance, help that you gave us. Then sa mga makukulit na mga bulinggit, maraming salamat. So and dun sa napakagaling na parang maituturing na madrigal na choir. Thank you very much, the choir, for the wonderful voice. Yan. Para talagang voices of angel. So thank you. Then kay Tita Bebot, sa masarap na pagkain. Thank you for the food. It was really yummy. And then for Arvin, of course. How many rolls do you have for this wedding? Okay. So yeah, ang dami rin niyang natulong. Yeah, thank you for all the help, Arvin. Kay Syke, tsaka kay Laila, thank you very much. Sa SMSS guys and like that. Thank you. And ano ba? Si Mami Lord. Mami Lord and Jonah. Oh, especially Jonah. Like 80-90% of this wedding came from her. Siya yung aming plan. So, gusto mo mag-speech ka? Okay. So, yun. Sino pa ba? Family. Oh, hindi. Kay Mama, na talagang fresh from the Philippines. Dumating pa rito, and sa youngest sister ni Ellen, si AB, tsaka kay Lenny, siya yung with Lian. Are you having fun with your bubble gun? Okay, then kay Lucas, hey Lucas, yeah. And then sa DJ natin for providing the very, very beautiful music. And then